welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete your UberEats account. Now to do that, you need to open the Uber account on your Google browser first. So click open a new browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in UberEats.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of UberEats where you need to get logged in first. So click on login on the top right. If you do not get logged in, you need to provide your login details. As I am always using UberEats on my browser, I am easily logged in. Now what you need to do over here is go to the hamburger icon on the screen on left. Click that. Now here you need to click on help. Over here, click on help. And once you're at the help page, you need to scroll down and here you need to click on accounts and payments. Click that. In the accounts and payments section, you need to go to the account setting. Click on it. In the account setting, you need to choose this option, I need help deleting my UberEats account. You click on that. This will direct you to this page where you will be able to delete your account. So here you click on this link over here, delete my Uber account. That is the UberEats account as well. Click that. Now before you begin the process, you need to get logged in into the account. So type in the account details, click on continue. Now a 4-digit code will be sent to the email address of yours. You need to type in that code. Open the Gmail in a new tab. There's the Uber mail. Click open that. Now you need to type in this code in the text box. I'm just going to copy this code from here. Click on copy and you need to paste it over here. Once that verification is done, you click on continue. Now here you will be shown the profile that you will be deleting once you begin the deletion process. So that is Uber Rider and UberEats account. So you need to click on continue over here. Would you mind telling us why you're leaving so we can improve? Now you need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your account. So I'm just gonna go and tap on a random one. Sorry to see you go. Now click on delete account. This way your account deletion process will be successful and you will no longer have your Uber account or UberEats account. Hope this video was useful on how you can delete UberEats account. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.